welcome to this 10-minute balanced breath meditation. Today we'll be focusing on two types of breath, Sama Vritti, which is a balancing breath, and Nadi Shodhana, which is alternate nostril breath. So just take a moment to find yourself in a comfortable seat, maybe cross your legs. And this can also be done in a chair with your legs down in front of you. Just get nice and comfortable. Allow yourself just a moment to settle in. There's a lot of wiggles when we first start meditating, so just let them go. And just take a moment to settle into your body. Bring your palms facing down on your thighs, on your knees. Remove any adjustments that need to be removed from your body. No pressure, just connect to the self and close your eyes down. Feel your spine so long and elongated. Maybe you're pretending like you're leaning up against an oak tree. Stack your spine, your head over your hips. As we move through this pranayama, this breath work. So please start to close your mouth and seal your lips off and begin to breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Draw your attention towards your nostrils and just notice air entering your nose and exiting your nose. Fill your belly on your inhale. And then not too much fuss on your exhale, and your lips are sealed. Then feel from both nostrils the air begin to move. Lengthen and control through your breath. Watching the natural rise and rhythm of your breath. This beautiful system that connects us to the outside world. Just nothing we have to do, we just breathe naturally. Our connection is our breath. So let's add some structure now with our Sama Vritti breath, our balanced breath, just creating equal breath in to the beat of equal breath out. So just take a big breath in for 2, 3, 4. Breath out through your nose, 2, 3, 4. On your next inhale, fill your belly, your ribs. And then exhale, release your collarbones, your belly, and your ribs. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Continue this same cycle of breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale through your nostrils. 4. Finding this pattern, this rhythm on your own. A comfortable, steady breath in and breath out. Now start to increase your breath to 5. So as you breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 5. And focus on your breath. And then notice if your attention wanders. And just bring it back to your breath. And if your attention wanders, just practice catching it and bringing it back a little sooner before it goes too far. And stay with this balanced rhythm of breath. Just strengthening the process of strengthening and catching the mind if it wanders. You're still breathing here. In through the nose and out through your nose. All your attention is on your breath. Now we'll begin our Nadi Shodhana breath, alternate nostril breath. Take your left hand and keep it on your knee and bring your right hand up. Find your index and middle finger and bring them right to your forehead. Press them right into your third eye center. And your left ring finger will be for your left nostril and your thumb for the right. So take a breath in both nostrils. Breathe in and hold. And then place your left finger over your left side and exhale through the right. Beautiful. Inhale through the right. Hold. Cover your right nostril. And then exhale through the left. Beautiful. Inhale through the left. Cover your left and right and hold at the top. Release the right side. Exhale for 2, 3, 4. Inhale through the right. Cover the right. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Release through the left. 2, 3, 4. Inhale through the left. Hold at the top. And then continue this pattern as you release through the right. Take your breath in. Hold at the top. Breath out, switch sides. Take a couple more rounds on your own. Continue your breath in. Hold at the top. Breath out, opposite nostril. Breathe in. Hold at the top. Breath out. Continue your breath. Your eyes are closed. Release your Nadi Shodhana practice. Move your hand down by your thighs. Come back to your balanced breath for 5. Inhale. Just notice if there's any tension in your shoulders or your neck. And readjust your spine. Exhale it out. Breath in through your nose. Slow your breath down for the last few rounds of breath. Just observe the breath, observe your body. Just feel what you've cultivated spreading throughout your entire body. Regulating your nervous system, your parasympathetic nervous system. Aware of your physical body. Start to feel the air around your skin, the weight of your hands on your thighs. Take an inhale through your nose. Big sigh out. In your eyes. Come back into the world. And feel that path of resilience you created in your body. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a blessed rest of your day.